20. Already Euro Yen I'm taking a peek at here at 85. Is it April? I'm sorry. You're right, Mohammed. Is it April already, or is it almost May? I don't know. Yeah, for April, I mean. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Hey, Mike. Yeah, Martin, I'm still getting it together, man. End of May. I think you're closer to the mark than I was. All right. Well, I'm liking this Euro Yen right now. We're at a 5 minutes made lower lows. We're up, backed up. 90 is the L7. We're at 85 right now. I'm gonna have to try, guys. And here's 85, 87. Let's see. I haven't pulled the trigger yet. Here's 86, 87, 86 and change. All right, let me go ahead and short here. Euro Yen. 87. I'm in. Still ticking up a bit, but gave me an 87 fill. Uh, we got a nice trend trade for the new guys. The head of the snake, which is the 1 minute box, is pointing straight down. Got clear roads to 74. Past 74, we can get down to 64. We're in at a 5 minute entry, 87, but right now it's at 90. So you can get your L7 entry on the 1 minute here. Stop loss. We're looking at a big figure stop loss. The high is 01. So my stop loss is above this level here. All right. What I like about it is we're at an L7, first of all. We've made a lower low on the 5 minute. All right. Dow's negative still. So as long as Dow's moving low, it's not negative by much, only by 5. So we'll see what the Dow does. All right, so initial target is down here at 74, guys. Maybe we'll take it all, take a quick 13. You could take half and see if you can get down to 64, but it's a 2-column. So if we get there quick, probably just snag it. Now remember, the 1 minute has made a higher high. Box could cause a bounce. All right. All right, cash is in. So to all the demos that are on today, welcome. Let me know if you have any questions. Just type them on in. Again, this is a short trade on Euro Yen. Euro dollar is kind of cracking higher highs. Dollar Yen, could be the best one to do it, but best one to go lower. But it still looks like it could come up a ways before that happens. All right, so stop over big figure on Euro Yen. We'd like to see Euro dollar lower or dollar yen lower. The triad is Euro dollar, Euro yen, dollar yen. So, the way that Euro yen moves, if Euro dollar and so be careful because see Euro dollar is starting to break out to the long side. You can get back in at a 5 minute entry. We have the reversal at 22, 24. The low 20s is a nice long on Euro dollar. But looks like the yens have the best grids to me. They've got the clearest kind of rows. They look like they want to drop down -7 or so. Hey, Gary, what's up, guys? I just saw your post there. Now, initially, if you look at Euro Yen, okay, we're at 83.85 now. We've got the bounce. Let's see, we at least want to follow through to the 1 minute box, which is around 79, 80. You know, that's not many. That's not, you know, exactly the pips I'm looking for. So I'm going to try to get down to 74. I'll hold for a second because, see, the truth is, if the 5 minute chart continues to make lower lows, and the previous low is 67. It's actually gotten as low as. So 64 is reasonable. But first things first, we got to get through our green L1 on the 1 minute, and that's here at 80. Not a lot going on otherwise right now. Euro dollars, its grid's pretty much a mess. I mean, if you were to get it down back to 22, I'd go ahead and take a long on that. I mean, you could start shorting at 50, but by the time it gets there, the 1 minute box is going to be closer to 40. That's only a 10 pip gap. I like there to be 20. And Euro could give you a bounce right here on the L1 at 36. You know, the 1 minute chart is making higher highs. So the 1 minute could push it up. Plus the L7 here at 38 is acting like a pretty good support. Hasn't been able to get back below the L7 on the 1 minute. So this, I mean, on the 5 minute. So this 1 minute could push it right up to 50 without a problem. 64, I'll definitely short that. But if we break 50, that's probably where we're going to 64 on Euro. Now it is a Monday, so I'm at 83.84 right now on this Euro Yen. So just up 3 pips, but you know, looking to get under these 1 minute boxes here. I've got 81, 82 right now. So we're kind of messing around with these 1 minute boxes. So we could get a bounce up from here. All right, that's one thing that could definitely happen. But what we'd want to see if we do get that bounce is to hold these highs, hold the L7. It may take another trip to break the L7 before it can gather enough momentum to break to the downside. So, I mean, it could definitely pop straight through, but at the same time, because the 1 minute chart has made, then that could give it a bounce here. Give me one quick second, guys. All right, I'm back. We're at 78.80 now, plus 7. Here's 79. Come on now. There's 78. So starting to move a little bit. All right, Gallup and Ken took 7. All right, you got it, guys. Thanks, Cash. Cash took 7. All right. I'm at 78 plus 9 right now. Out here, you guys, great job on that. I'm going to see if we can't get under this L2. If we do, we should hit this 74. Okay, all right, welcome and take care. Bye, Lucas. All right, let's go Euro Yen. All right, so if we can get Euro Dollar to break down to its white zone and we get Dollar Yen to test its lows, that's going to give more room for Euro Yen. So we need Dollar Yen to go ahead and keep going lower. Like I see this big red candle and I'm thinking, man, maybe the selling's going to kick in. We're going to get a lower low on the 5 minute. I'm looking at the Euro Yen 5 minute chart. Still at 78, 79. There's 78 again. Euro dollar's dropping. Here's 76, 78. There's 77 plus 10. All right, so this is what I'm looking for here. Target here is at 74.3. We're at 76, 77. Dollar yen against China push lower. We see dollar yen in the 80s. We'll be good to go. Here's 76 for a second. Just saw 75.6 for a brief moment. All right, you know what? We're close enough here. Well, here's 77. There's 76 plus 11. See, we're keeping going lower now. I see euro dollar pushing. We're at 74, 76. All right, even lower now, 74.5. At 73.75, but still 75 is my exit if I want it. All right, I'm going to take it. 75, I'm out, plus 12. That's close enough.